This video was sponsored by Creative Fabrica. As you can see, I created these pieces of art with CF Spark. Not only that, but I was also able to use the CF Spark writer to create a whole video script that would work for a YouTube video. I'll be reviewing Creative Fabrica in this video, a product that you might not think you need, but will undoubtedly be useful to you. Creative Fabrica is a fantastic resource if you're seeking for a wide collection of high-quality graphics, fonts, and crafts to use in your creative business. This internet marketplace called Creative Fabrica has everything from mockups to fonts, and everything in between. However, they have recently dabbled with AI art generation with the CF Spark, their new suite of AI content creation tools. And this is what fascinates me the most. There is already a big collection of digital media and tool, so the CF Spark is a fantastic addition. The CF Spark Tools has an AI art generator that uses text prompts to produce completely original works of art. The CF Spark AI Writer, which has over 30 templates, can quickly write texts for books, advertising, greeting cards, and articles. The CF Spark Patterns Generator, which can be used to create seamless repeating patterns from text and use them as digital papers or backgrounds. The CF Spark Prompts Builder, which helps to write great prompts by selecting styles and details in the prompt builder and using them to create high-quality AI images. The CF Spark Image Mix is coming soon. Whenever it's available, you can create new and unique versions of an existing image you like. All you need is an image file or a URL. I'm going to test out the CF Spark AI Writer and Art Generator in this video, as well as look around other parts of the website. You may use these tools to make photographs and articles for free. You may always upgrade to a membership later if you enjoy it and wish to produce content more quickly. My only concern is that you could easily spend hours browsing the enormous collection and quickly fill your hard disk with everything you could possibly download. I'm going to test out the CF Spark AI Art Generator and the AI Writer before we look at other parts of the Creative Fabrica website. Starting out with the AI Art Generator. I'm on the CF Spark Art Generator right now. All I have to do is provide CF Spark with a prompt to tell it what to draw. The sentences you use to generate your AI art are called prompts. A simple prompt like, "Cyberpunk mosque in a dystopian future," will be my first attempt. When I click Ignite, these 4 results appear. The quality of art produced by an AI tool is closely correlated with how accurately you can explain the type of art you wanted to produce, especially by utilizing high-quality prompts. So I'm going to type a more complex prompt. A more complex prompt has many more extra components and detailed language, like this. An astronaut resting on Mars in a beach chair, vibrant lighting, elegant, highly detailed, smooth, sharp focus, illustration, beautiful, geometric, trending on ArtStation, full body, cinematic, artwork by Borovikovsky. You'll see that the results are far more sophisticated and superior this time. You have a better chance of discovering an image that is near to what you need because Ignite creates 4 photos for each click. You are added to a brief waiting list while your photographs are created. But thus far, I've just had to wait a short period. Waiting periods can lengthen if more users begin using CF Spark. Enrolling on a subscription will accelerate your generations even more. For 1,000 credits, it costs $9 each month. What you can see now is the creative process of making amazing art using this CF Spark tool and some complex prompts. It's almost always an issue with your text prompts or instructions when using any AI program to create a good-looking image. To tell the AI to create something beautiful, you must know the right phrases to employ. It's virtually a whole kind of art. However, you can just copy the prompts you like and use them to produce original pieces of art, without having to study or even understand it. Lexica is one among the resources I use to develop my prompt writing skills. I can combine and adjust prompts and styles to achieve good-looking results by looking at the prompts that were used to make a certain image. I'm going to try out the CF Spark Writer right now. As you can see, there are several specialized AI writing tools that may be utilized with this tool to do a variety of writing tasks. I want to compose a whole article that I can later turn into a video for YouTube. I'll use the Article Writer tool for this task. The future of augmented reality in shopping is the topic I wish to write about. After stating the subject in the page title box, I will enter all of my keywords in the keywords section. I'm going to offer the AI writer some instructions on the queries I want the article to address. I'm going to enter some article summaries and phrases as a result. After that, choose the language, which is already set to English, and then click Create Article. This very coherent article only took a few seconds to write. The article was very accurate when I fact-checked it. The nicest part was that I wasn't charged. This is a free account, as you can see. I can now copy this article into my Google Docs and begin preparing the script for my video. As I stated earlier, most people know Creative Fabrica as a store where crafters can buy digital goods including typefaces, graphics, and embroidery patterns. A vast library of downloads from Creative Fabrica, ranging from collections to bundles to single pieces, is available. Here are some of the website's additional sections. Designs created by Creative Fabrica's in-house designers may be found in the crafts section, and designs made by independent designers can be found in the graphics section. Designers are adept at using software systems and their imaginative flair, which allows them to produce original and appealing designs with ease. Regrettably, not everyone can design. Not everyone has the ability to think creatively. The cost of hiring a designer might be high. Additionally, even for designers, starting from scratch with a fresh design might take a lot of time. The ready-to-use designs and illustrations provided by Creative Fabrica's graphics can assist you in getting over these issues so that you can utilize them for your business. Most of the graphics you purchase come in EPS, JPEGs, PNG, and Adobe Illustrator file formats, among others. You may use or modify the design in a number of design tools with this exceptional value for money choice. The materials are immediately downloaded as a zip file after purchase, which you may keep on your computer. Every file you download is also saved to your Creative Fabrica account. You may always get them back and download them once again. To introduce the crafts area: Halloween designs, Christmas designs, autumn crafts, spring crafts, Easter crafts, children's crafts, etc. In many situations, all you need is a design that you can print, cut out, and utilize. You may acquire high-quality cut files that are compatible with die-cutting devices like Silhouette, Cricut, and many more in the crafts section. You may also browse the website to look for niche ideas and inspiration. There are several design and fonts and typography alternatives available if you work in the print-on-demand sector. Creative Fabrica provides pre-designed interiors for your publications if you're in the Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP industry. Found in the fonts section, you may use any of the almost 100,000 fonts hosted by Creative Fabrica, all of which have a commercial license in both personal and professional projects. For the print-on-demand pod, you may use a library of more than 420 graphics for print-on-demand purposes as long as your membership is ongoing, since they have a complete pod license. Regarding the bundles section, more than 37,000 graphic and typeface packs are available at Creative Fabrica. If you have a certain niche, these bundles might be wonderful because you are sure to find a package for it. Basically, the courses area is where you would discover online classes provided by the Creative Fabrica network of designers and craftspeople. This implies that if you want to master a certain ability, experts who are anywhere in the globe will teach you all you can learn. Numerous lessons are offered, including those in Cricut, graphic design, clay, sewing, crocheting, paper crafts, painting, and more. For everyone active in design and graphics, I would recommend Creative Fabrica. Until you use the Creative Fabrica library and CF Spark tools, you won't be able to tell how they can assist you. You may create a free account on this site by clicking the link that is provided below this video's description. Thanks for your time.